Welcome to the House of Cars, your ultimate source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most beloved sedans on the market, the 2024 Toyota Camry. Known for its reliability, comfort, and value, the Camry has been a favorite among drivers for decades. Let's take a closer look at what the 2024 model has to offer and why it continues to be a top choice for sedan lovers. Stylish and modern exterior. The 2024 Toyota Camry has been updated with a sleek and modern design that is sure to turn heads. The front fascia features a bold grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive and refined look. The smooth, aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, enhancing its sporty profile. The rear of the Camry is just as impressive, with stylish LED taillights and a sculpted bumper. Comfortable and high-tech interior. Step inside the 2024 Camry, and you'll find a cabin that's both comfortable and packed with the latest technology. High-quality materials and attention to detail are evident throughout, creating a premium feel. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with available options for leather upholstery, heating, and ventilation. The centerpiece of the interior is the 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa. This system is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to stay connected on the go. The available JBL premium audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, turning your Camry into a mobile concert hall. Other tech features include a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and an available head-up display that projects important information onto the windshield. Impressive performance and efficiency. The 2024 Toyota Camry offers a range of powertrain options to suit different driving preferences. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a respectable 203 horsepower and excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking more power, there's a 3.5-liter V6 engine available that produces an impressive 301 horsepower, providing thrilling acceleration and performance. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth and responsive shifts. The Camry's suspension has been tuned for a balanced ride, offering both comfort and agility. Additionally, the Camry is available with all-wheel drive, providing extra traction and stability in various driving conditions. Advanced safety features. Toyota has always been a leader in safety, and the 2024 Camry is no exception. It comes standard with Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 Plus, a suite of advanced driver assistance features designed to keep you and your passengers safe. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The Camry also offers available features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. Eco-friendly hybrid option. For those who prioritize fuel efficiency and sustainability, the 2024 Camry Hybrid is an excellent choice. It combines a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with an electric motor to deliver a total of 208 horsepower. The hybrid system provides smooth and quiet acceleration, while achieving an impressive fuel economy of up to 52 miles per gallon in the city. The Camry Hybrid also features regenerative braking, which captures energy normally lost during braking and uses it to recharge the battery, enhancing overall efficiency. Final thoughts. The 2024 Toyota Camry continues to be a top contender in the midsize sedan segment, offering a winning combination of style, comfort, performance, and safety. Whether you're commuting to work, taking a road trip, or just running errands around town, the Camry delivers a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Thanks for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the 2024 Toyota Camry. Until next time, keep driving in style and stay safe.